Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say, in the day above and not under, y'all. It's a blessed day. Y'all, today I have a jerk salad that I made. You know, Shauna said, Mama, let's just get the whole jerk and you put it together. So that's what we did. We went, bought the jerk chicken, and then we made our own salad. Cheaper for everybody, okay? The jerk chicken itself was like 11 bucks. Now the jerk salad would have cost $11. So, to buy each and everybody, that would have been what? $33 for everybody. Make your own. Feed everybody and have leftover for work, okay? Gotta make that money stretch out. So this is what this is. We have romaine, we have some spinach, of course we have jerk chicken, we have some mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella up in there, tomatoes, cucumbers, I have red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, and what else? And some red onions. That's about it. I didn't have any carrots, so we ain't doing no carrots today. So here's a piece of this. Is this a different jerk place I went to? It's the first one. The first time, really, that we're eating from Island Jerk. So
Jerk and go. Jerk and go.
Jerk is Island Jerk and Go.
Oh, okay.
So this is some jerk sauce. I like my jerk sauce on my salad. Y'all, I got a lot of meat up under there because man, Shoshana was having it out. She said, Mama, you taking all the meat.
It was dead adamant too. I caught on quick to what she thought she was gonna do.
Then I have the dark meat, a lot of dark meat up under there. Cause I prefer dark.
She took all the dark.
I didn't take all of it,
but
I took some.
You took some or all?
Some.
Lies.
Not all. Anyway, y'all, if y'all like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share the video, y'all. Sharing is caring. Nikki said I ain't sharing. So she said I be so into the food, I be forgetting to share. Cause y'all want y'all bite. So I'm giving y'all the first bite. That was a little ranch. So I'm gonna be doing like a little bit more healthier foods. I have to lose some weight, y'all. I done gained 30 pounds. Not happy. So I told Shoshana I have to sit down and really plan out a menu for us because I don't know who was in the live, but y'all know yesterday I had a doctor's appointment or whatever. She looked at me and Shoshana like, especially Shoshana like, girl. You need to lose some weight. Then she got on me. So You finished your salad? She did not come up for air until it was gone. Yes, yes, y'all.
How it tastes with all that meat under there.
Scrumptious.
Excuse me. Jerk.
Scrumptious.
She said, "What are you, Shoshana, the food police?" Yes.
I swear I had to ask her that.
On duty.
Like,
she just
are you the food police?
No. You was the food criminal then. That's what that is. You the criminal.
I'm there fixing my food. She's just hovering.
Ain't no fix. No. She saw them thighs. Her ass started to glow up.
Ooh. That's good. I don't know though, but when I'm on, like when I'm trying to eat better, I love jerk salad. It's flavorful. Cause a lot of times I don't even put the ranch dressing. I'll just use this. Or sometimes don't even use nothing at all. Cause that's just added empty calories. By empty, I mean just calories we don't need. Look at that. It's a lot of meat up under there. I got a piece of skin down in there. Now the only thing with this place, I could use my chicken a little bit darker. A whole lot darker. This just tastes like regular barbecue chicken with a little jerk sauce on there. I ain't even gonna lie. But because I didn't want to drive all the way to the other spot, you know. I said I'm gonna try them out. Great customer service though, so that's a plus. When the customer service is good to me, we'll go back and try again. Tell them how you like it, maybe they'll get it right.
Yeah, I'm ready to go on vacation.
All she been doing is looking up trips.
Yes, it's time. It's time. It's time. But
it's not as easy. Everybody's time ain't right.
Time ain't never right. That's why you gotta have a series. You gotta have a series of friends. You gotta have a group of girls you do certain things with. Your gossip girls, your traveling buddies. And like your little hood friend too. You always gotta keep one down. You always gotta keep your pop out chick. Always.
Who your pop out chick?
Shout out to Dominique.
You something else.
Momo too. She can pop out too.
I ain't met Dominique yet in person. I met her on the phone. FaceTime, that FaceTime.
That's my coworker.
But Momo, that's my girl.
Momo was the inspiration for this video. These videos that we make.
Oh.
She definitely inspired.
She sure did.
She
But before Momo, we did not know what the hell mukbang was. Me and Trishawn, really.
Man.
Because Kyra and Quan, they knew what mukbang was. But we wasn't up on it.
We chose to not participate in that. Oh, I got a call I gotta take.
So, yeah, y'all. Because of Momo, started watching mukbangs. And here we are. I wasn't too heavy on the ranch. Because I could kill it. But I didn't want to. You know, trying to do better. And pretty soon, I'm going to go from that to like a little bit to nothing. That's how I just take my time and gradually come down off of it. Because I can't eat a lot of it. But I don't need it. I love tomatoes. Oh, that is so good. Who else loves some jerk salad? All them flavors busting. They're just busting out. Look at me, y'all. It's gone. Every last bit of it. These make good lemonade too. Superior. What I be doing, I use agave with a little lemon. Just put it in there. Put it in the refrigerator, let it cool. Hot. Excuse me, y'all. Ooh. Trying to finish these. I never finish them. Always have some left over. I gotta end up throwing away. And I hate wasting stuff. Y'all, it's so hot outside. It is so hot outside. I'm like, And today is a Sabbath. I'm like, no. I'ma just try to relax. I'ma just try to relax. Yeah, I love this. I don't know what it's like this hot, but I do. But anyway, that's it from me today, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And okay, if y'all got any good recipes, like, you know, low calorie stuff, put it in the, you know, comment down below. Okay, send them recipes my way, and little weight loss tips and tricks. It ain't no tips and tricks. Alright, y'all, let me go stop rambling.